Hello and welcome back to Income Strategies, the place where you'll learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. Today, we're going to be having an episode of the Battle of the Peers. Yes. So, in this episode, we're going to be looking at which of the peers will execute the fastest. Yes. So, we're going to be looking at a USDT pair and a BTC pair. And what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be using 30 USDT for this. That means that in the different pairs, we're going to use $15 each. The whole idea is just to be able to see which of these pairs will execute the fastest. Of course, we're going to be using limit order. So we want to see which of these pairs will get to the finish line faster. Yeah, so we're going to be looking at quite a number of coins. Of course, I have to let you know that this is a spot trading event, okay? So that means that everything we're doing here is all about spot trading, all right? So whether we're doing the USDT pair or we're doing the BTC pair, it's the same coin, only that we're going to be looking at different pairs in this particular match, all right? And today, we're going to be starting with DGB, all right? But first off, because I have the entire 30 USDT in USDT, I need to change half of that to BTC. All right. So the first thing is that I'm going to have to change 15 USDT and see how much I will get. So that means if I do all this particular amount, I should get 108. But it's not going to pick up everything. If we look at it, it will be picking up 29.78. Okay. So probably like half of that will go for it. But let's just go ahead and see how much we can pick up. After that, we'll know how much of BTC that was picked up. But first, let's just do 15 and see how much we can get, whether we can get this sold. Oh, what's that? Oh, no. Okay. Look at what happened here. Yeah, so this is going to tell us exact amount that has been used. I'm just going to do this again. Let's put in 14. No, not 14. 15. But by the time I tap this to get the exact amount, it's going to be picking up 14.89, which is fine. So we're going to be using the same ratio of amount for the USDT pair also. So let's go ahead and buy. Oh, we're in the queue. I'm going to get this out of the queue right away now. So let's cancel that. And let's go once again. Let's make sure we tap. These things you have to be really fast. So let's see. One to go. Let's see whether we can get that. Still in the queue. Oh, good. So you can see that went quickly. So how much of that did we get to change? Okay, because we need to take note of that. We actually were able to do, I think that should be 14. Let me see. Good. Let's go and check the trade history. That will give us the exact price of what was actually taken. And that's very important for us. So that's 14.893. So yeah, that's cool. So that's the same amount we're going to use for the USDT pair. Okay. 14 point. Let me see that again. No, this is it. 14.893. That's the exact amount we're going to use in the USDT pair. So let's quickly go over. So we're going to be going over to DGB BTC. All right. So we're going to be using both DGB BTC and DGB USDT. So right now, as you can see here, it's at 0.00028. Okay. So first off is that we need to buy this. Okay. So we're going to have to first of all buy this, and let's make sure we tap it. Okay. And then take entire everything. You have to understand what we're trying to do. Okay, we're doing a spot trading, and if you look at the chart, we're taking it from 2.8 to 2.9, right? Because we want to see how long it's going to take for us to be able, because we're going to buy this right now. Okay, first thing is that we're going to buy it. We want to see how fast it's going to be, and then we're now, okay, let me see. We were going to buy it and then sell it. That's it. So don't forget that spot trading is all about buying at a particular price. And then when it gets to your price that you want, you sell it off for profit. So first off, we need to buy DGB BTC. We already have our BTC. So first off, make sure you make sure you click on that, make sure you have everything you need. And then we go ahead, pick up 100%, take our screenshot, and then go ahead and buy. Now, this is already in the queue, right? So let's go over to DGB USDT, all right? And don't forget the amount that we're looking at. The amount we're looking at is what? We're going to just type that in, and that's going to be 14 point what? 893. Okay, let's see if we can get this done and bought. You can see that. Let's try and get it bought. Did we get it bought? It looks like we got it bought. You can see right now that in both cases, the BTC was the slowest. Okay, so let's go over and see. We've got it here. We've got 1909. Okay, 0.94. 1909.94. Okay, let's see. Oh, what happened here? Did the price go up or something? Okay, the price actually went up. Now, don't forget that we still have our BTC waiting in the deck. It's waiting to be bought. So if I go back to DGB BTC, what do I have? I'm still waiting. All right. So now I'm just going to hold on for a bit. Okay. But while I hold on for that bit, I'm going to go back to DGB USDT. So let's go back to DGB USDT. Now, don't forget we have two that are currently running right now. Well, actually, DGB USDT has already bought. So we just can go ahead and do that, right? So I'm going to go and set this up now. Right away, I'm going to set DGB USDT as a, if you look at this now, this is what we have. I'm going to set it as a sell limit, okay? So I'm going to set this as a sell limit, and I'm going to put a good price, okay? So let me go ahead. First off, because I don't want to get distracted or get confused, I'm just going to go back into the BTC USDT side of things, and I'm going to transfer everything out of here because I don't want to get this mixed up. So I'm going to just remove everything here so that we don't even get ourselves, distracted or confused. Okay, so first off, I'm just going to change this. I'm going to put the max, and then I'm going to just get it out of the place. Good. So now we have everything clear. We have our coins already sorted, right? We have the two coins. We have the DGB already that we have bought with our USDT. And then we also have the DGB BTC, right? Let's go and check. DGB BTC is still in the queue, and that will take a little bit of time, but we're trying to see which one is more, which one executes faster, whether it's a BTC pair or whether it's the USDT pair. And we can see first leg where we buy the coin, USDT has already won. Yeah, yippee, it won. So, but let's see, would it win the sell limit order? I don't know. Let's go ahead and get this done. So I'm going back to USDT, DGB USDT, and I'm just going to click on that. All right. This time around, I'm going to set a sell limit to give me like about 30 cents. Okay. That means I want to make like about 2%. Yeah. So let's go ahead and see whether this will work quickly. Okay. So for me to do that, first off, I'm just going to pick up. Don't forget, I'm buying. No, what am I saying? I'm selling to USDT. So all I just need to do is to pick up everything. So you can see here, it's giving me the 14.89. So we're going to work with like about 26 cents, 26 to 30 cents. Okay. So if I put this at 7.9, let me see what's going to give me 15.8, not enough. So, okay, 793, let me see. Okay, this is 15.14. Okay, if I make that 795, that's what? 15.18. Let's go and check how much that gives us. 15.18. 18 minus 14.89. 29 cents. Not bad. So let's work with this, okay? So let me see if I change this to something else. What is it going to give me? If I change this to 796, what's it going to give me? 796. That's going to give me... I like this one. I like this one. 15.20. Okay, 15.20 will give me what? 15.20. Good. Let's work with this. 15.20. Here we go. Let us work with this. Where is it? So now we're going to put, that's going to be 79796. Okay. And then we pick up the entire thing. And then we place the sell limit order. Come on, let's go. All right. So you can see here, it's currently in the queue. Don't forget, we've done first leg. We bought it quick at once. And now it's time to get the sell limit order. All right, so let's go and check DGB BTC. So DGB BTC, what's going on with your life? We're still trying to get it bought, okay? So let's go ahead to the charts and see if anything is going to come up, right? All we just wanted to do is to move from here, which is 28, to here. That's all we wanted to do. Once it moves to 29, we start the process of getting it sold. All right. So let's wait and see. We've got we've got like 3 trades that have gone in a row. 1 currently already executed. 2 are still waiting in the queue. So I'll be back to give you the results. See you shortly. Wow. So now I'm back and I'm seeing that we still have these 2 on ground. And as you can see, we've got the 2 trades running right now. Don't forget that we're on the second leg of DGB USDT and we're trying to sell to USDT. We already got DGB USDT bought, right? Within seconds, okay? But DGB BTC has decided to stay like that. We haven't even been able to buy the DGB with the BTC. So what's going to happen now is that I'm going to check for each one and see what exactly is the status of both of them. So let me start with looking at DGB BTC. As you can see here right now, it's still in the queue. We just have our BTC and we're trying to buy, okay? But as you can see here, we're going to have to wait for it to clock 28 on the red side for it to even buy in the first place. So it's obvious that this is going to take a long while to get bought. Okay, let's go over to DGB USDT. Let me just click on this. No, that's it. This is what we're clicking on, the DGB USDT side of things. Now look at it. We were able to buy it immediately, all right? But now we set a very interesting, we wanted to make 30 cents. 31 cents, okay? And we set 0.00796. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to go over and check what exactly these are. And we check how much we bought it. How much did we buy, DGB USDT? What we bought it as was 0.00779. Okay, then we go over and check again. What exactly is the price now? It's now, okay, it's currently 781. So obviously you can see that the price of DGB USDT has increased. So there is an opportunity to make profit. So what I'm going to do is quickly check on this, okay? We were supposed to sell 1909.9, right? So let me go and check. Let's put it in sell. And let's see if I put 1909.9. Well, we'll just make... oh, what am I doing? 0.9. 109. Okay, 1909.9. Okay, we're actually going to make some money, but not much. As you can see, we have 14.916. And we bought it 14.8. 14.89, I guess. Let's go check. 14.89. Let's just check it quickly. Now, what we're going to do is that I'm going to actually turn both of them back to money. I'm going to turn both of them back to the various base, the two base currencies. Well, I'm going to turn both of them back to USDT and see how much we're going to make with that. So now let's see. I'm going to check this one and see. Oh no, let's check the trade history. I'm going to see which one exactly. How much did we buy this? We bought DGB USDT. We bought it at what 14.89. So that means if we sell now, we're just only going to make 2 cents. Okay, so that's it. You can see we have 1909.9. Okay, so if I put that in, let me check the charts, what must have gone on and see. Oh, you can see that we could actually have made more. We could have actually made more if we came here, because you can see this is 783. It actually got to 786. So imagine if I was here when it was 786. Let's see, 786. That means that would have gotten, let's see, 1909.9. Wow, we would have made some good money. We would have made some good money. All right. So even as at now, right? Let me see what is going to happen. 9.5. Not bad. We'll make 6 cents. All right. So what I want to do now, because this is like what I call the battle of the peers, right? As we speak right now, we've not been able to get DGB BTC bought. But we can do the boomerang strategy for both of them. Well, at this point, I'm going to be doing the boomerang strategy for DGB BTC, but I'm just going to sell off my DGB USDT and see how much we can make. So first off, let me cancel DGB USDT. So first off, let me go back and clear everything, make sure all is well, and then I'm just going to pick up 100% and see what am I doing. Okay, that was a mistake. Okay, let me just pick up 100%. Okay, we're able to make 14.95. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. One to go. Oh, it's putting us back in the queue. It's putting us back in the queue. Wow, so what am I going to do? Let me see. Let me cancel it one more time. And let me refresh to be sure that everything is on point. Okay, see, we're trying to sell. Okay, and it's you can see that that's what's going to happen. Ooh, 0.0782. That's what we can get. So if I click on that and I just pick up everything, pick up everything. Let me click on the green one and pick up everything. I'm going to be able to get that sold at that amount, right? Let me see if I can do that. One to go. We're not going to waste time. We're not wasting any time. Let's see whether that's going to go. Yeah, it did. It went. Okay, let's see how much we got. Okay, so we're able to get 14.92. We're able to sell that off, right? So at this point, I'm going to try to sell back BTC. Okay, so I'm just going to take a screenshot and then we'll analyze this together because I don't want to mix anything up. So we've got 14.09, 14.92. All right, so let's just quickly take a screenshot to always be able to analyze. Someone asked me, you're taking screenshots and you're not making reference to them. Excuse me, I do. In between, making these videos, at times I'll have to take off like about a couple of hours, maybe if I'm trying to do a trade. Before I come back, I have to check what exactly it was. I have to look at all the numbers and be sure that I'm correct. So that when I continue the video, I can be sure what I'm doing. So I always make reference to it. Okay, so currently right now, we've gotten this sold. We've gotten it sold back. So, and let's go see. The amount of money we made was really nothing much. We're going to do the calculations together. So, but first of all, let me clear this out because I want to just sell everything. I want to get them off and then let's see whether we make any money. Okay, so let me just transfer that and then I just put this here and the max and it goes. Okay. So the reason why I did that is because I want to be sure of the exact amount of USDT I get when I have sold back my DGB BTC. Okay, so right now I'm going to come back here. I haven't even bought my DGB, right? So that means that I'm only with I'm only with my BTC right now. So I'm just going to come back here and click on cancel at this point. Okay, so we've canceled it. Let's go back to BTC. Before we go ahead, what we're going to look at is what was the price that we actually bought it, okay? So we'll check the trade history and we'll go and check. What did we buy BTC as? We bought it as 27,579. That's what we bought it as, okay? Let's go see whether it's actually going to be better right now. So let's see. We'll see BTC USDT 27,579. It looks like we're going to make some good money here. So let's see. I'm just going to come over here and then pick up every single thing I have. Let's hope it does. Does it pick up everything? It doesn't. That means I'll have to go and do this in convert because it's not picking up everything. As you can see, it's not picking up the entire thing. You have 539 and it's only stopping at 53. So I'll have to go do convert for this. Okay. So let's see. We want to pick up the max, but here we want it to be USDT. I'm trying to see what exactly this will give me in market. 14.93. It looks like it's gone beyond 14.92. So let me go see if I can do limit order, right? If I click on limit order and then I try to do this right away, let's see what it's going to give me. Okay, let me put this in USDT. Okay, and then we put the max. And then let's see. Okay, how much do we get? What's going on here? Let's see. Okay, so what we get is 14.98. Okay, let me see if I place the order, whether something's going to happen. Oh, what is it saying? Let's see. Let's confirm and see whether this is going to go. All right, it says limit order place. I want to get this sold immediately, right? Oh, but it's not giving me the opportunity to get it sold immediately. So what I want to try out is, I think I want to try out market. It says no fees. So the thing is, I'm just going to give you the market price. That's just what it's going to do. So what we're supposed to really get is to get 14.98. And that would actually be, if I look at it, it's going to give me like about 9 cents, which is even more than the one we did with the USDT. Okay. So what I want to do right now is I'm going to cancel this. Let me cancel this. And let's see whether if we go over back to convert directly, can we make more money with this? Let me see. Let me see. The whole idea is want to see, okay, what did we start with and what did we get? Okay. So I'm just going to try this out and see. 14.92. It looks like we're just getting back to the same point. But let's wait. I'm not going to do this as I'm doing this immediately to get the amount out so that I can give you the conclusions. Okay? I can give you the conclusions. Let's see what's going to happen here. Okay, let me allow it go. Let's see, what do we get? What we get is 14.92. All right. So let me go over and see what we have. Let's go back and get this finished up, right? Let's go back and get this finished up. All right, so let me go over and see what we have here. So we have 14.9293. Wow. So let's go over to the trade history and get all of these done. So we can see who won the race, who actually won this race. Okay, so here we are. Trade history. Okay, no, we're not going to get that in there. We're going to get it in the convert history. Okay, so that's what we're going to get it as. But we don't even need all that information. Let's go back to where we have in the trade history. We'll do it one after the other. In the convert history, we'll see that. But don't forget that the results are already out. So we're going to have to be able to do that. So let's go back to our BTC USDT. Remember, we didn't even get DGB BTC bots. So that is -1. So what we have here is 14.893. Okay. 14.893. And what did we get? We got 14. We actually started off with 14.893. So what did we get? We got 14.929. So let's go calculate that. No, not convert again. Sorry. We're going to, this is where we're going to. We're going to say 14.929 929, right? Minus 14.8. No, what am I doing? 893. Whoops, we only made 0.036, like about less than 4 cents. Take note of that. Take note of that. Okay. So let's go over and see for the USDT, right? Let's go over and see for the USDT, and then we'll use the trade history to do this because we have both records in there. Okay. So how much did we buy the DGB USDT? We bought it. We started off with 14.892, and then we ended up having what did we end up having? We ended up having 14.935. Okay, so we have 14.935, 14.935 minus 14.892. Let's go check. So we have 14.935. Let's check this one. 14.935 minus 14.892. Am I correct? Yeah, so what we have is 0.043. We can see that the winner actually is the DGB USDT. Yeah, even though the whole idea here is to try and see which one is going to give us these results faster. And we can see that from here, it was actually DGB USDT that won. Okay, let's go. DGB BTC was waiting in the queue like forever, and we were not able to get it, right? So DGB BTC was waiting for forever, right? Just even to buy it was a headache. Wow, that's not funny at all. And then when we now try to sell back, we just had to do the boomerang strategy for DGB BTC and to get back our money in USDT. So we were able to get 0.0036 cents. And then that's for DGB BTC. And then looking back at the DGB USDT, we could have actually made more if we were keeping track, right? But it got down a bit. So we're not able to make more. But really, the clear winner is DGB USDT. Yeah, the clear winner is DGB USDT. And as you can see, we were able to get, if this just went down a little bit, and as you can see, we were able to make money with this faster. We were able to buy faster, and we were able to sell faster. I hope you've been able to learn something from this race that we just did today, which I call the Battle of the Peers. I want you to let me know what you think about this, right? And let me know your experiences. Has it been easier to buy BTC with the peers, or has it been easier to buy the peers, any particular coin with BTC, or has it been difficult, just like the one we have seen today? I'd like to know your own opinions. I'd like to know whether you learned anything. I'd like to know whether this has made sense to you and has added value to you. Please do like, share, and if you really want to learn more about how to carry out these trades and all of those things, right, you can click on the first link in the description, okay, and you'll be chatting with me. Thank you so much. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.